In this video, we will show you how to add a paper texture in Canva. To add a paper texture in Canva, it's very easy. First, you need to create a designs. For example, let's create a presentation. After that, we can just click the elements menu. Just select the elements menu and you can type paper texture. Okay, just select paper texture. There is category as graphics or photos. You can just use one of them. For example, you can use a graphics. Just click show all, and there is a free version that you can use in there. Okay, for example here, you can just using this paper texture, right click and select set image as background. You can see now you have a paper texture here. You can try another one if this is not suitable with you. The premium version signed with this icon, you can get the free version. For example here, you can just right click and replace background. Okay, you can also try another, not graphics. For example, just select photos. Okay, please find the free version. Here, for example, you can just right click and choose replace background. Now you have a paper texture in Canva. Okay, then if you have any questions, you can fill in the forms comment below, and thanks for watching.